Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is likeness of God. So, the word likeness in Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 speaks of how humans were created similar to God. Though not identical, this means we reflect aspects of God nature, such as reason, morality, creativity, and rational capacity. Yet we are not divine. Being made in His likeness reminds us of our dignity, purpose, and the special role we have in creations as image bearers designed to glorify Him. So, ayon po sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, Then God said, Let us mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals, and over all the creatures that moves along the ground. So, dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuroan. Sinasabi po ito na meron daw pong what does it means to be made in the likeness of God. So, first po is, human are God's creative ruler. So, tayo ay nilikha ng Diyos para mamuno ng may talino at malikhain. Tulad ng Diyos na creator, tayo rin ay may kakayahang magplano, lumikha at mag-lead sa mundo. Hindi lang tayo tagasunod, tayo ay tinatawag para maging responsible sa mundo niya. So, next is, humans are God's developers. So, binigyan tayo ng Diyos ng papel para i-improve at i-develop ang mga bagay na sa paligid natin. So, lahat ng resources, talents, at opportunities ay dapat gamitin natin para mag-grow, maayos, at mapaganda ang mundo. So, next, humans are God multipliers. So, tinawag din tayong paramihan ang mabuti. Sa relationships, sa works, at sa spiritual life. Katulad ng utos ng Diyos kay Adan at Eva na magpakarami, responsibility natin na palaguin ang anumang pinagkatiwala sa atin. Relationship, skills, ministry, at iba pa. So, sa applications, be creative ruler of everything you have. So, maging creative ka, maging creative ruler ka sa lahat ng meron ka. Time, talents, resources. So, gamitin mo ang utak at puso mo para mag-lead sa pamilya mo, trabaho mo, at personal na buhay ng may wisdom at creativity. So, next is be a developer of everything entrusted to you. And last po is be a multiplier of everything in your care. And ayun lang po, maraming salamat.